प्रेज द लॉर्ड। सारे जैम सिखी। प्रभु आपको बरकत दे, आशीष दे। मेरे प्रियजन, मेरे दोस्त, माय फ्रेंड, माय सिस्टर, माय ब्रदर, माय मदर, माय फादर, मैं आपका धन्यवाद करता हूँ। प्रभु यीशु मसीह का मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ। परमेश्वर जी का धन्यवाद करता हूँ। पवित्र आत्मा जी का मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ। मेरे भाई, मेरे बहन, माय फ्रेंड, मैंने पंजाबी में पूरी कंप्लीट बाइबल पढ़ी, फिर मैं हिंदी के विच कंप्लीट की है। हुण मैं इंग्लिश विच शुरू करन जा रहा। शुरू दे विच आइए असीं पढ़ांगे द फर्स्ट बुक ऑफ मॉसेस कॉल्ड जेनेसिस, chapter number 1. In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the water. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw the light that it was good. And the God divided the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. So the evening and the morning were the first day. Then God said, "Let there be firmament in the midst of the water, and let it divide the waters from the water." Then God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. And God called the firmament heaven. So the evening and the morning were the second day. Then God said, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering of the waters he called sea. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb that yield seed, and the fruit tree that yield fruit according to its kind, whose seed is in itself on the earth." And it was so. And the earth brought forth grass, the herb that yielded seed according to its kind, and the tree that yielded fruit whose seed is in itself according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. So the evening and the morning were the third day. Then God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heavens to divide the day from the night, and let them be for sign and season, and for day and year, and let them be for lights in the firmament of the heavens to give light on the earth, and it was so. Then God made two great lights, the greater lights to rule the day, the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. God let them in the firmament of the heavens to give light on the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the lights from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. So the evening and the morning were the fourth day. Then God said, let the waters abound with an abundance of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the face of the firmament of the heavens. So God created great season creatures and every living thing that moves, with which the waters abounded, according to their kind, and every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good, and God blessed them, saying, be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let birds multiply on the earth. So the evening and the morning were the fourth day. Then God said, let the earth bring forth the living creature according to its kind, cattle and creeping things and beasts of the earth, each according its kind, and it was so. And God said, the beasts of the earth according to its kind, cattle according to its kind, and everything that creeps on the earth according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, let us make man in our image, according to our likeness. Let them have dominion over the fish, on the fish of the sea, over the bird of the air, and over the cattle, over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps on the earth. So God created man in his own image, in the image of God. He created him, male and female. He created them. Then God blessed them, and God said to them, be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and subdue it. Have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the bird of the air, and over every living thing that moves on the earth. And God said, see, I have given you every herb that yields seed which is on the face of all the earth, and every tree those fruit yield seed to you it shall be for food. Also to every beast of the earth, and to every bird of the air, and to every thing that creeps on the earth, in which there is life, I have given every green herbs for food. And it was so. Then God saw everything that he had made and kneaded. It was very good. So the evening and the morning were the sixth day. Chapter number 2. Thus the heavens and the earth and all the hosts of the them. Thus the heavens, chapter number 2, thus the heavens and the earth, and all the hosts of them were finished, and on the seventh day was ended his work which he had done, and he fasted on the seventh day from all his work which he had done. Then God blessed the seventh day and the sanctified it, because he rested from all his work which God had created and made. This is the history of the heavens and the earth, and he were created in the earth day. That the Lord God made the earth and the heavens, before and any plants of the field was in the earth, and before any herb of the field had grown. For the Lord God had not caused it to rain on the earth, and there was no man to till the ground, but it mist went up from the earth and watered the wool face of the ground. And the Lord God formed man of the dust of the ground and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life, and the man became a living being. The Lord God planted a ground. The Lord God planted a garden eastward in Eden, and there he put the man whom he had formed. Out of the ground the Lord God made every tree grow that is fresh, pleasant to the sight, and good for food. The tree of the life was also in the midst of the garden, and the tree of the The Lord God planted a garden eastward in Eden. There he put the man whom he had formed, and out of the ground the Lord God made every tree grow that is pleasant to the sight and good for food. The tree of life was also in the midst of the garden, and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. Now a river went out of Eden to water the garden, and from there it parted and became fourth riverhead. The name of the first is Pison, Kishon, it was the one which skirt and the wool land of the Havilah, where there is gold, and the gold of that land is good. Bdellium and the onyx stone are there. The name of the second river is Gihon. It is the one which goes around the wool land of Cush. The name of the third river is Hiddekel. It is the one which goes forward the east of the Assyria. The fourth river is the Euphrates. Then the Lord God took the man and put him in the garden of Eden to tend and keep it. And the Lord God commanded man, saying, of every tree of the garden you may freely eat, but of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil you shall not eat, for in the day that you eat of it shall surely die. And the Lord God said, it is not good that man should be alone. I will make him a helper comparable to him. Out of the ground of the Lord God formed every beast of the field and every bird of the air, and brought them to Adam to see what he would call them. And whatever Adam called each living creature, that was its name. So Adam gave name to all cattle, to the bird of the air, and every beast of the field. But the Adam, there was not found a helper comparable to him. And the Lord God caused a deep sleep to fall on the Adam, and he slept. And he took one of his ribs and closed up the flesh in its place. Then the rib which the Lord God had taken from man he made into a woman, and he brought her to the man. And the Adam said, this is now bone of my bone and flesh of my flesh. She shall be called woman, because she was taken out of man. There a man shall leave his father and mother, be joined to his wife, and shall become one flesh. And they were both naked, the man and his wife, and were not ashamed. प्रभु आपको आशीष से बरकत दे। हमने 2 चैप्टर पढ़ा है, इसको कंप्लीट बाइबल कंप्लीट करना है इंग्लिश में, जैसे हमने पंजाबी में कंप्लीट करी है बाइबल, उत्पत्ति से लेकर प्रकाशित की पोथी तक, फिर हिंदी की उत्पत्ति से लेकर प्रकाशित वाक्य तक। अभी इंग्लिश को पढ़ेंगे, कंटिन्यूस पढ़ते जाएंगे, हर रोज 2 चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे, और जब तक ये कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाती रेवल्यूशन तक, जेनेसिस से लेकर हम पढ़ते जाएंगे, और ऐसे कंप्लीट को हर साल हम कंप्लीट करते हैं। अभी तो पिछले साल मैंने पूरा 1 साल में कंप्लीट कर लिया था पंजाबी की, लेकिन हिंदी की मैं जल्दी जल्दी नहीं पढ़ पाया क्योंकि कभी मिस भी हो गए मेरे दिन, तो उसकी मैं समझ चाहता हूँ प्रभु से, लेकिन मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया है। वो जानते हैं जो मेरे मिस हुए, उसको मैं पढ़ूंगा बाद में, लेकिन अभी मैंने जेनेसिस शुरू किया है इंग्लिश की बुक, और मैं पूरी रेवोल्यूशन तक पढ़ूंगा। प्रभु आपको आशीर्वाद करे। प्रभु जी जितनों ने भी ये वचन को सुने और समझे, उनके अंदर प्रभु जी देहदारी कर लेना, जैसे आपने सुनते ही देहदारी कर लेना, इनके अंदर प्रभु जी आप प्रवेश कीजिए, वचनों के द्वारा ब्लेस कीजिए, कोई कमी कोई बात नहीं, पैसे में कमाई में शरीरों में बात, यीशु मसीह के नाम, आमीन आमीन।